sorry for it. I hate you. Beastie.
Why is she crying?
She might be hungry.
Then feed her.
It's going to starve with those three looking after it.